Hello team, myself Dharmendra Kumar. I am the MD and founder of Dipole Tech Innovations OPC Private Limited. We just launched our product Parking Bucket and we are the owner of this product. This product will launch within 1 year. We have launched this product, and this product purpose is just to provide you online parkings. So as I told you, Parking Bucket is a mobile application which allows you to book parkings online and put your parkings space online so that vehicle owners can book them, and we are providing the platform where you can earn with your empty spaces. These are the major features of the application. The one is online booking, so you can book the parkings online and it's on single click. Parking subscription, we are giving you a feature where you can subscribe your parking for daily, weekly and monthly basis. Here that means you don't need to be worried if you are going on some places on regular basis, so you don't need to worry paying day by day for that parking. You can subscribe with our application and our application will maintain your payment process. Payment security, so as the payment is online, so all the payment is on us and we are making it secure. Record of parking, so here we are keeping all the records of your parking, so we are maintaining on which schedule your parking should not be searched by other one. If your parking is available on that schedule, then you are going to be searched, otherwise you will not get the parking. So basically you don't need to be worried about that, the timing and scheduling of the parking. So you can get paid of your parking space on hourly basis. So that's the main feature. For a single hour, a parking owner getting paid for his parking. So basically all of you know about the COVID-19. So we are providing a touchless parking and cash transactions, so we are going to be safe with the COVID-19. All the system of payment is automated, so you don't need to be worried about the things that how parking payment should be done. So our application is available in local languages. So currently we are available in Punjabi, Hindi and the other global languages English. You don't need to be worried about the vehicle fraudness. So all our vehicles which will book to your parking space are completely verified. So we are keeping focus on your security. So list your parking for available time slots as per your convenience. So if your parking is available only for 9 to 5 p.m. so you just need to give your timing of your parking and we will give you bookings only for that time. Who can use this application? So Parking Bucket application can be used by anyone who has parking business or spare space. So ask yourself, do you have parking business? Our application will help you to manage your business. Do you have a spare space at your home? So yes, you can start parking business with us. If you go to office and your parking space is spare 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. you can rent out your parking space with us. Why do you need this application? So, contactless parking, you are safe from COVID-19. For getting orders of booking as per your available time slot. So, if you are putting your parking space in our application, we are giving you the bookings only for your available time slots. Payment security, as the payments are online, so all payments are secure. Getting subscribed to your parking on weekly, monthly basis for taking rest. That means you can take rest and your parking is going to be subscribed on weekly or monthly basis, so you don't need to be worried for single days. Get paid for your parking space for each used hour. Yes, so your parking going to be paid for every single used hour, so don't worry about the payment. How to join this? So you can put up your parking spaces in your application with the simple steps. Download our application, register yourself, add your parking details in our application, simple, and our verification team will verify your parking space. After visiting and verifying your parking place, and ownership, we will activate your parking. So that's it. It's time to get new bookings. Plus you can add your parkings. So our provision is, we are going to install CCTV camera in parking space. We are going to give you an automated barrier system. So these are our provision, and whoever is going to be attached with us that time, so we are going to give them. These are some helpful links for you. You can visit our website parkingbucket.com. These are our Play Store link. These are our App Store link. So thank you for your time and just seeing this presentation, and happy parking. I'm going to give you some more introduction about how to register with our application and how to book parking in next videos. Give me a few seconds. After installing application in simple steps from Play Store, you just need and register. You can just add the parking like this. Click on and just click on plus button. Give your parking title. Give your number of parking available. Here you can give for how many hours your parking is available. You can select what kind of parking space you have, 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. It's simple. So here you can select your parking address with Google Map easily. Our application will detect your location as well automatically. You can give the more detailed address here with your parking for your parking space. You need to attach the relevant document related to your parking. We will give you a checklist of documents. That's all. It's a simple and easy. Let's check how to book parking now. Install our application, register our application. Just go to the book parking section at the home page. Search your location of parking where you want to book put your vehicle. You can select the radius for how long area you are going to be subscribe the parking. You can select your date in advance. You can choose your time of parking. Select your vehicle type, so we will give you the parking availability as per your selection. Now here you go, you can see that parking available in your selected area. But before booking the parking, you can check the prices. You can check the total invoice you are going to be paid for selected hours. That's all. So it's simple and easy to use. I would request you to please install our application from Play Store and App Store, and we will give you more instructions here. Thanks. That's all.